Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my Vlogmas edition 2020. This is my first time doing this. As you know, I'm new to the Vlogmas. I'm new to just posting YouTube videos. I'm new to all of this. So this is my first Christmas. I hope you like this, guys. So right now I'm just assembling my tree. This took a little bit longer than I thought. I actually got this tree the day after Christmas 2 years ago. I got it on sale. You know, I'm about those sales. I think I got this tree for $1.20, maybe $1 and some change, which was a really great deal for me. This is a pre-lit tree. I always wanted a pre-lit tree because I didn't want to fuss with the lights, but lo and behold, I still add lights to my tree. I guess that's the irony and everything. So this is a 7-foot tree. I always wanted the big tree as well. I'm in an apartment, and you know, apartments aren't that big, but I wanted a big tree, which I got. And I got what I wanted for a deal. So, you know, saving money is always a great thing. So now I'm fluffing just the bottom of the tree. I'm going to assemble it and then fluff. Like, the fluffing takes forever. So I had to crop the screen out because I wasn't sure if me just even displaying the music that I'm playing is okay or not. So you're just gonna see an oval from here on out through the video. Still fluffing. So my fluffing method is, all right, first you spread the branches apart. Now, a few years ago, I realized, you know, the tree branches, they open up to the side you're supposed to go to. But what I started doing this year, the three in the back, I pushed them to the back by the tree stand, just to fill in the hole so you can't see the bar. You don't see the metal, you only see the tree. And then the ones in the middle I push up, and then the ones in the front I kind of like just make them go in different directions. I don't know if you guys are even into artificial trees. I heard it's better to go with, you know, a real tree, but I'm scared. I don't want to, you know, cause a fire in my apartment. So I like the artificial ones. I guess, you know, it's just what we use growing up, so I'm gonna just keep doing that. Fluffing this tree took about an hour and a half, maybe more, I don't know, but this fluff was real. It was real. And then the boys are to the side painting because we're doing a lot, like we're doing blinds. We're gonna do our TV. We're gonna mount our TV. We're gonna just, you know, do a lot in these next couple of days. As you can see, my color scheme is plaid with red and white. I wound up adding some more red and white to it later on. I had added some candy canes. I added some red and white, just red and white stripe, like the candy stripe bows. So I went with like a bow theme this year. I think next year I'm gonna do like a whole peppermint tree, just red and white, red and white, red and white, with some, you know, silver crystal looking things in there. But I know the day after Christmas, I'm going to buy all of those decorations that I need for next year and store them. And then the year after that, I may just repeat my blue tree again. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my first day of Christmas. Next time, I'm gonna do some gift wrapping and just getting some more of my home decor together. For more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know if you like the tree, if you want me to add something else. You know, it's still time. Take care, guys, and happy holidays.